Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to fix League of Legends freezing. So if you're facing freezing issue in League of Legends and you want to fix it, firstly you need to check if your graphics drivers are up to date or not. So if you're using the Nvidia graphics drivers, all you need to do is go to the taskbar. From here, right click on the Nvidia settings button, then open Nvidia GeForce Experience. After opening Nvidia GeForce Experience, you need to go to the drivers section. From here you can check if you are using the latest GeForce drivers or not. So if here it says you have the latest GeForce Game Ready drivers, then you are using the latest drivers. And if there is an update available, it will show it in here, and you can just simply click on download and download the latest version from here, then install. After you have checked your graphics driver status, you will need to also check if your Windows is up to date. In order to do that, from the search panel of Windows, go to the settings menu, open. After that, go to the Windows Update section from the left hand side and make sure it says you are up to date from here. If not, click on check for updates, and any update available to you will be shown in here. You can just simply click on download and install to install any update and keep your Windows up to date. After you have applied these settings, you need to change some compatibility settings of your League of Legends game file. In order to do that, from the search panel again, search for League of Legends. Now click on open file location. Now right click on the League of Legends shortcut, click on open file location again. Now head back to Riot Games, go to League of Legends, go to the games folder. In here you will find the League of Legends exe, right click on it, go to properties, compatibility. From here, make sure that full screen optimization is disabled and the program is set to run in an administrator mode. After these settings are checked, click on apply and OK. After these settings are changed, just exit the folder. Now if you open up League of Legends and head into any game, you will see that you are not facing any freezing anymore and you can enjoy League of Legends perfectly.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.